gonna do a satisfying slime video. Even though our slimes aren't that satisfying, because they're very sticky, because she accidentally got lotion in them. So it's still okay though. So first we're gonna mix it up before we show you our slime. I know I have some on me. Whoops. And then we're gonna show you.
The star of the show is here.
We're mixing our slimes first. Okay, I hope you guys can see a little better.
I'm gonna mix up.
Oh, whoa! It's very, very sticky.
You take your shoes off.
Okay, shake it. I'm gonna take my socks off too. Sorry, guys. You probably can smell my feet through the camera.
I can't really smell them.
My feet are stinky.
I can't smell them.
Where's trash can? Oh. I can just swallow it, right?
No!
Why can't you swallow gum?
Well, you can, but it just won't digest that easily.
Okay, I'm gonna go sit down.
Me too.
Okay, I'm back. Ava's really short, by the way. I don't know why I'm saying that. She just is. Look at this color. It's so pretty.
Okay. What you doing with my slime?
I'm just showing them the color. And then mine's this green barf color.
Ew. Fart color.
Yeah, fart color. Sorry.
I need a mixer. Where's my mixer?
No, it was right there. Ava, look under you.
Oh.
Oh, guys, you fell. We're sorry. We did not mean to. Yeah. Okay.
Here. Scoot
So
over.
sorry. So sorry.
I know.
Okay. I'm gonna lay on my stomach too. Okay. So
we're mixing it
we're
right
mixing
now.
it right now.
By the way, please subscribe.
Yes.
I beg you to.
We'd love some subscribers, especially her, because it is her channel.
Oh.
So,
Oh yeah, and we're doing a massive giveaway. Of You do it. I'm going to tell you the massive giveaway.
the massive giveaway is stuffed animals.
And maybe later on, if we reach 100 subscribers or more, maybe I'll do a laptop giveaway. So all you need to do to win the giveaway is comment down below, like this video,
And subscribe.
and then keep active in my live stream in a couple of days. And they're really rare, and they're
we will
Beanie
be
Boos.
giving out one slime.
One slime. Unicorn slime.
Yes. Because we know how to make it.
No, you don't have to make it. It's at Walmart.
No, we're going to make it.
Okay. Well, we'll have to have a lot of food coloring.
I know. But
Wait, we're doing Galaxy.
yeah, Galaxy. I don't know why you said unicorn. I thought it was Galaxy.
Me too. I was just thinking of unicorns right then.
Oh. Well, are we almost done mixing, Ava?
Maybe. If you feel it. And if it's sticky, you're fine. Well, if it is sticky, you're not fine. And if it's not sticky, then you're fine.
Okay, let me try to lift it up then.
Oh, it works.
Okay. Okay, mine just needs to be mixed just a little more.
Mine needs to be mixed up. What's that?
The trick is when you're making the slime.
Oh, that's Jim.
When you're making the slime, mix fast for a couple of minutes because it like helps it mix properly.
Yeah. Just like you're baking a batter, but mixing a batter.
Yeah, with the whisk.
Like you're beating eggs. Like you're beating eggs. And if it does not stick to your marker, then fill it with your hand.
If it sticks to your hands,
Make some more. And if it doesn't, try doing this. And if it does stick, you have to mix more. And you don't, because yours is mixed proper. Notly. And if it's stuck on your hand, like here, you just have to do this.
or go wash them, but I wouldn't recommend that.
Because
you
it'll
could
just
waste
make
all your
it.
slime.
Yeah, it'll just make it sticky.
Yeah, water makes your slime stickier, I've heard.
Along with lotion.
Yes, that's how our slimes got sticky. But it's not her fault. There was no hand soap around her, so she just had to use face lotion. I mean, at least she cleaned her hands.
Yeah, I was going to use the restroom, but then you want to stay hydrated, guys.
Why did she just bring that up? I know something we can have in the giveaway.
What? Do batches? Wait, but do batches?
2 batches.
Oh!
We're going to be making 2 batches of Galaxy slime.
I thought you said do batches. I'm like, why would you want to give out do batches?
What the heck is do batches?
Batches is do.
Guys, I would recommend doing this just to see if it sticks to your marker. If it does not, you mix very good.
Mine doesn't stick.
I just made these like yesterday. Awesome.
They're like really new.
Yeah, well, we made them at 4 o'clock in the morning because I stayed up at 4 o'clock in the morning tonight, guys.
And then
Don't
I fell
judge
asleep. I fell asleep.
Yeah, I had a sleepover.
We both had a sleepover.
Yep.
But I was the first one to go to sleep. Right?
Yeah.
We were watching a scary movie.
Called
Friday
the 13th. Part V, A New Beginning.
Yeah.
It's hard to remember that name.
Yeah.
I thought it was Part C for a second, but it's Part V.
V or B? B. Right?
V.
V. Well, there's a lot of alphabet parts.
Comment down below if you guys know. Tell us, is it a new beginning on Part V?
There's a bubble.
Pop it.
Okay.
It made a weird sound. Sounds like I'm doing this.
Let them have a close up of your slime. I'll redo my close up. I'm gonna redo mine.
It's so like stretchy. Look.
Now look at my slime.
Ours is better.
Yours is pretty. And more satisfying.
But on the camera, it looks like it's a barf color.
Look at mine.
Yours is like teal on the camera.
I like teal. I think teal's
Me
pretty.
too. Teal's my favorite color.
Tay. I said tay.
Ava, what should we do after we mix?
you have to see if it sticks to your marker. And if it doesn't stick to your marker, try your hand. And
No,
if,
your mixing tool.
well, yeah, mixing tool, whatever.
Because you don't have to use a marker. We just found something random and that was it.
Wait, I'm gonna go shut my door.
Yeah, I was
So-
about to ask.
So I'm just saying, if it sticks to your mixing tool, then you have to mix more and harder. Like you have to
You have to like
beat
do
it.
this.
You have to look here, so they know that. Like if it sticks to your marker, then you have to mix more. And if it doesn't stick to your marker, then try your hand. I'm gonna try. Hey, it doesn't really stick. I'm just gonna mix it. Just mix more just in case.
Oh, it's too sticky.
I one time made pink slime.
Look. You remember when we tried to make that slime with all the glitter and it was orange and it looked ugly and we had to microwave it?
Yeah.
That was a disaster. And that purple slime, it was chunky with cornstarch.
And it's like smelled so bad.
Because we put Kool-Aid in it. And we thought it was going to work, but it didn't. That was our first slime, though. Those were our 2 first slimes. We're good at it now.
And then, you know the sticky, you know that chunky slime that we were just talking about?
It was the purple one?
Yeah, I literally went inside and got a nose clip. It smelled so bad.
Yes. She did not get me one, though.
I didn't have another one. Or it's because I'm evil.
Okay. Look at our slime. Well, look at my slime. It's not sticking to me. Oh, yes, it is. But, whoa. Guys, it's only a little sticky, and that's how I made it. It was just that sticky. So, mine is how it was when I made it. But
Can I feel
when
yours?
you guys are trying to make your slime, it won't work right after you mix it just a little bit. You have to play with it with your hands to get it to come together.
Like, knead it. You know,
like this.
So I'm going to try that.
Because yours didn't get mixed very well.
Oh.
Ava! Put it back. All of it. That's my slime. I made that. Ava, that's my favorite slime.
Yeah, but you said I had to knead it to make it work.
No, I didn't. I was saying when you make it.
Oh. Can you help me?
Ava, put it down.
Well, every time I put it down, it gets more on it.
Just. Oh! You're so. Guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll post another one.
Whenever I get all this off.
Yeah. Ava,
Yeah.
you destroyed my slime. Bye!
Me
Where's the stop button? The pause?
No.
This?
Yeah.
The square?
This way.